In this video, I teach you a classification of milling machines. The milling machines are generally classified according to the number of way. So here we study the classifications in the detail. The first classification is according to the nature of purpose of use. Means for which purpose we are using the milling machine. So according to that it is classified in three categories. First one is general purpose. General purpose means it is the most versatile and commonly used mainly for piece or a small lot production. Means on this general purpose we are able to manufacturing any types of the job, then it is known as the general purpose. So it is known as general purpose. Another is the single purpose. Single means they are used only for performing one type of the operation, like as a thread milling machine. Cam milling means on a cam milling they are only manufacturing cam. In a thread milling machine they are only used for create the threads on a different type of the workpiece. Slitting machines which are generally used for batch or lot productions. So this single purpose is used for batch as well as for lot production. Another is the special purpose. So these are used for a lot or a mass productions. So it is a similar type as a single purpose, means only specific type of the special operations are carried out on the machines, then it is known as the special purpose. Example of the special purpose is duplicating mills, die sneakers, saw thread millings. So according to the purpose there are three classifications. Now we move towards the second classifications. Before that I request to like the video and subscribe the channels for watching the more video of mechanical engineering. For more video of the manufacturing process, fluid power, refrigeration, you go to the playlist and watch that video. Now second classification is according to the orientation of the spindle. So we know that the arbor is mounted on the spindle. So orientation of the spindle is different. It may be horizontal, vertical, inclined. So depending on this orientation of the spindle, it is classified as a plane or horizontal milling. The plane and horizontal milling machines are a non-automatic general purpose milling machines, and it is generally used for small or medium size process of a single or horizontal axis milling arbor. Means its name is suggests that it is a horizontal milling machine, means spindle is horizontal and arbor is also horizontal. In this case it is known as the horizontal milling machines. And these milling machines are most widely used for a piece or a batch production of job, relatively simpler configuration and geometry. Second is horizontal axis and swelling bed type. Means in this arbor is horizontal, but these bed or tables are set on a inclined direction because it is a swelling, means we are able to adjust this table on a different angle. Next is the vertical milling machine. Vertical means this spindle is in vertical direction. In earlier case the arbor or spindle is horizontal, but its name is vertical, then it is in the vertical direction. And the work is using end mill type and face milling type cutters. Means here we are able to install the end milling type cutters or a face milling cutters. The table may or may not be swellings future, means table is may or may not be, it may be inclination type of the tables or a not inclination type of the angles depending upon the requirement of the machines. Next is the universal milling machine. So here you see this is the universal milling machine image. In that universal milling machines the spindles are horizontal or verticals, or it may be inclined at the any angles. So here you see that it is a vertical image, but it is rotated from by using these screw mechanisms. It may be horizontals or it are also adjusted at the various angles. That's why it is known as the universal milling machine. Means it is the summation of these horizontal, verticals, as well as we are also able to set at the various angles like 30, 45, 60. Okay, that's why it is known as the universal milling machine. Now third classification is according to the configurations and motion of the work holding table or a bed. Means which type of the bed or a table is used. So first one is the knee type. So here you see this is the image of knee type, and if you want to understand the knee type milling machine in details, then I request to go to the playlist or also go to descriptions or either I symbol from a top right screens. So today is the date of the 17th January. So after 5 to 6 days you are able to watch all the types of the milling machines in a playlist. Now second type is the bed type, means suppose this is a knee type, means our body have a knee. Okay, so this is a shape like the knee. When we bend this our leg, so this knees take this type of the shape our leg is. That's why it is known as the knee type. Now this knee type is replaced by using the bed, means the length of the bed, the length of the table is larger than its knee type, then it is known as the bed type. So like as our bed, the length is larger, that is approximate the 6 foot or 7 feet. That's why it is known as the bed type. So this video is also separately available in a playlist, so you can watch that. Another is the planer type. So we know that the planer is one type of the machines. So milling machine is like as the planer type. So in this planer type machine, this table is reciprocate. Okay, so according that type of the feature is provided in the milling machines. So this table is moving and the size of the table is larger, and the planer type video is also available after 2 to 3 days, so you can easily watch from the playlist. So before 20 January 2020 it is available onto the my channel. Another is the rotary table type. So in this rotary table type, the table is rotary type. So here you see in this image, the table is rotated at the 360 degree. Okay, and the spindle is in the vertical directions. Now fourth classifications according to the automations and production rate. So according to automation and production rate, first one is the hand mill. So here I show you this image of this hand mill. So it is a smaller size of the milling machines, and name is hand mill, means all the motion to the table as well as the saddle is given by the hand of the human beings. Only spindle is rotated by using this electric motor. Next is the planer and rotary table. So planer and rotary we already studied. Okay, and these planer and rotary table type vertical axis milling machines are not that automated but provide relatively higher production rate compared to the other type milling machines. Next is the tracer control copy milling machine. So its name is suggests that it is used for copying the another object. So tracer and control copy milling machines are mechanically or hydraulically operated semi-automatic milling machine, means it is either operated by mechanically or hydraulic mechanisms, and it is semi-automatic milling machines used for a lot production of cams, die, each by copying the masterpiece. Means first the machine is copy the masterpiece, and from this masterpiece they are producing the different type of the lot productions of that object. Suppose the master die is copying the cam, then they are able to produce the lot production of the cam. And the next is milling machine for a short thread milling. So it may be considering the single purpose or automatic machines being used for mass production of a small bolts and screws. So it is used for a thread milling, means it is used for a manufacturing a thread of a bolt and screw. So thank you for watching this video. If you learn, then like the video, subscribe the channels and share with your friends.